discussed a little bit on that part as well. Okay, so going further, like today and tomorrow also, it would be like introduction. Okay, probably by Monday onwards, the actual classes will start. Okay. Okay, so the main advantage of cloud is like where you can save the lot of cost. Okay, the main factor is cost, and the next factor is pay as you go. How much you want, how many hours or how many days if you want to continue your services, pay for that much only. You don't need to pay for the ideal hours, or when you are not using, you don't need to pay anything for the cloud. Okay, that is the one of the biggest advantage. And the next one is elastic scalability. Okay, elastic scalability in the sense on demand, or whenever you want you can increase the resources, or whenever you don't want you can decrease your resources always. Yes, it is possible. Okay, yeah, on demand, like if you demand like right away I need uh, 10 CPUs or 8 CPUs. Okay, yes, you can get it immediately from the cloud providers. That feasibility is there. Okay, yeah, so the major cloud holders are like AWS and Azure and Google. Okay, uh, we have seen the figures like how much it is occupied almost in the market. AWS is 34%, and the next holder is Azure. It is occupied almost 21%. Sorry. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, the Azure is occupied 21% in the market, and next is Google. Okay, and rest of all it's keep on going. Okay, so that's the reason why if you learn Azure, okay, you will get more opportunities, more jobs in the market. Okay, yeah, along with the SQL Server DBA, if you learn the Azure, your resume will gain more weight and easily you can crack the job. Okay, yeah, fine. And the next part is like what is a data center also we have seen. Okay, data center is nothing but it's a combination of servers where one each other connected via network, and wherever we are keeping the servers we call that one as a rack system. Okay, this is a rack. Inside the rack they will keep the servers. Fine, and these servers are connected through a cabling. These are cables. They will connect to the servers. Okay, how the communication will go through the network, right? Okay, fine. And we have discussed about what is public cloud, what is private, and what is hybrid cloud as well. Okay, and apart from that, we have also seen what is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS models. Okay, what is PaaS? We have seen, right? Okay, platform as a service. In PaaS model, it will be same like as an Azure. Okay, what are the differences? Like in IaaS model, it is same like as a your on-premise model. In on-premise model, everything you have to manage. In IaaS model, only the application and data and the middleware and OS part you have to take care. Rest of the virtualization, server storage, and networking will be taken care by the your cloud provider. Okay, and PaaS model, only application and data you have to maintain. Rest of all the factors will be taken care by your cloud provider. Okay, in SaaS model, it's a software as a service, um, where you can um, utilize directly by service. You don't need to build anything. You don't need to build of your data structure, how it could be everything. Okay, you don't need to worry of anything. Your data also will be maintained by your cloud provider. The best example of the SaaS models, Gmail. If you go with the um, GCP, Google Cloud Provider, Gmail is the best example. If you go with the uh, Azure, I can say that Teams is the best example. Okay, If you go with the AWS, and they will have the different applications in AWS. Okay, they have their own applications. Yes. Okay. And for the platform as a service, I can say that we have a when we go inside the SQL, when we go the inside Azure, where you come to understand what is a platform as a service, um, how the PaaS model uh, is vary with the IaaS model and on-premise model. We'll see that part. Okay, fine. And the next part, what we have discussed. Yeah. So what is the cost benefit? What is the uh, shareholders and all we have covered, right? Yeah. And the next part is benefits of cloud. I have seen what are the benefits of cloud. Okay. Uh, how it is benefited. What are the characteristics of cloud computing? What is the pay as you go and everything? We'll see that part. Okay. What is the main advantages of the uh, cloud computing? It is nothing but your cost is efficient, almost unlimited storage. They will provide the unlimited storage to you and easy access. You can easily see the information in the cloud. Okay. Backup and recovery, yes, it is possible. Automatic software integration. Okay. You can automatically integrate your software through the database. Okay. And the deployment is very quick. You will see that once we started working on the Azure, where you can see that if you want a VM quickly, I can deploy within 2 to 3 minutes. Fine. And there are some limitations or disadvantages of the cloud. That is nothing but when you don't have a proper internet connection, don't go with the cloud. Okay. You should have a proper appropriate internet. And the security concerns, um, this is not a big kind of disadvantage as I told, right? Whatever the data that you are keeping in the cloud, by default, it is encrypted data. It will be into encrypted format. Even though someone is taking your data, they cannot do anything. Okay. The data will be encrypted. Always your data is encrypted. Okay. No control on resources. Yes, this is some limitation. Okay. When you go with some models like PaaS models, you don't have any control on it. Okay. Your vendor or your Azure will taken care of it. Okay. Yeah. Again, it may vary on the depends on the cloud providers. Okay. Public, private, and other clouds we have. Yes. Okay. So what is the main difference between on-premise and cloud model? Okay. Yeah, let's see that. Yeah. So in on-premise model, what you have to do, you have to build your own hardware, right? You need a IT people. You need a network installation. You need to maintain the application. Backup and recovery also you have to take care. Virus protection, patches and updates. And apart from this, where you have to maintain the data center, on top of the data center, where you have to install the your servers, your networking, cabling, and your power, okay, your power bills, okay, and IT people, security, everything you have to take care. That is nothing but on-premise model. In on-premise model, it is like the cost factor is very heavy in the on-premise model. In cloud, when it comes to cloud, you no need to worry of anything. Just utilize the service, pay as how much as you used. Okay. And whenever you don't want, yes, you can demise the services always. Fine. Until everyone is clear, right? Let me go back to the today's discussion. Yeah. Today's discussion would be on the, yeah. Okay. So in order to work on the Azure, okay, in order to work on the Azure, you need to have an Azure account. Correct, right? In order to work on the Azure, you should have a Azure account. Yes. Okay. So the site which is provided by Microsoft is portal.azure.com. Okay. So when you click on this portal.azure.com, if you are using for the first time, yes, you have to create an account. Okay, so for this I have prepared a slide. Where is that? Okay, yeah, fine. So in order to work or in order to create any services in the cloud, you need to have a proper account, right? Yes. Okay. So the best recommendation is like uh, for the practice purpose, better to have your msn.com or Hotmail or Outlook. Okay. These are Microsoft related the mail IDs, right? So better you always use a Outlook or your Hotmail or MSN. Okay. Yes, of course you can use it with Gmail also, but that is not the best recommendation. I can say that. Okay. Just go with the Outlook account. If you don't have any Outlook account, what you can do, just go and quickly create a new one. Let me show you how you're going to create a account, Outlook account. Just type something like, let me create account Vishal 6789 at the rate of outlook.com. Okay, can go with Outlook or Hotmail, anything fine. Okay, I'm comfort with Outlook, just I'm going with Outlook. Just go on next. Someone is already using it, so that I cannot use the same account. Okay. Mm, Seems this account is existed. Vishal 678901. You have to put the strong password. Okay. Yeah. Click on next. It will ask you. It will ask you for the verification. Just click on that. Please pick one square that shows two identical objects. You have to. You are confirming that you are not a robot. Okay. So that's the reason why what it is asking that you have to pick a picture who it is having two identical objects. Let me pick a one. This one. This one, right? Okay. Verification is completed. It will prompt you to the next screen. Okay. Now my yeah. Now my this one is created. My Outlook account is created, and see that I'm directly able to connect to portal. Okay. See that this is the portal, but you cannot use the portal. Why? Because you are not a member of any these kind of subscriptions. Okay. At least if you want to use it before that, let me go with the another thing. Now what I have did, I have created a Outlook account. If you want to see that what is your account, how the account is created, yes, you can access Outlook and see the okay. This is Vishal 6789. This is my inbox. It is same like as a Gmail. You can utilize if you want to send a mail. Yes, you can send a mail, or you can do anything like as how you do with the Gmail. Okay. Yeah. This is my inbox. Okay. So once your account is created, then what you have to do, you have to uh, you have to subscribe the or you have to log into the portal. Okay. What is the portal? Portal.azure.com, or else you can simply type uh, Azure, Azure, Azure portal login. And you click when you type on the Azure portal, it will take you to the Azure portal screen. Fine. Okay. Azure portal login. Okay. Now, just portal.azure.com. Just click on it. Yes, it will come. Okay. Why by default it is taking? Already I have logged in. Correct. I already logged in. That's the reason it is taking me to the same screen. If I don't want to do it quickly, I can sign out and I can sign in again. Okay. Let's see. This is my account and I have to input the password. Fine. Okay. Yeah. So once you log into the Microsoft Azure portal, okay. So in order to work with Microsoft or in order to practice the uh, all your um, Microsoft related services, or if you want to explore Microsoft, yes. So the Microsoft is by default they are providing a um, account, okay, which is of credits of 200 USD. Okay, you will get it 200 USD when you sign up with a credit card. Okay, when you sign up with a credit card, they will give 200 USD. Okay, this $200 means almost 200 into 70, 14,500 Indian rupees credits. You will get it. Okay, what you have to do, you have to utilize these credits within 1 month. Okay, 1 month. If you use it or if you don't use it, these credits will be expired. Okay, within 1 month you have to utilize the $200 credit. Yeah, after $200 what will happen, uh, you can convert your subscription to pay as you go if required. Otherwise your account will remain for 1 year and you cannot use any services. Why? Because you don't have any credits, right? That's the reason why you cannot use it. Okay, so guys, that be careful when you are really ready to work on the Azure, then create a free account with the credit card and utilize it. Otherwise, don't go with it, because one credit card you can use one time. Okay, you cannot use it for multiple times. You cannot use it. It will not accept. Okay, if you don't have a credit card, you just get it from your friend and use it. Okay, yeah. How you gonna use it? Let me take you that. Okay, so once you log into this screen, once you log into the portal, then click on start. Okay, yeah, start free. I'm just clicking on start free. Before that, I would like to explain few more details. What about this Azure free subscription? Yeah, yeah, see that, build in the cloud with an Azure free account. Yes, you can build Azure services. What are those? Let's see that. Popular services free for 12 months. You will get these services for 12 months, but your credits will expire within 1 month. Please guys, okay, don't feel that your $200 credit will remain for see that your account will remain for 12 months. Okay, but see that, start with Azure $200 credit, you will have 30 days to use it. Okay, in addition to free services. Yes, within 30 days. See that, by seeing that, you may feel that it will be free for 12 months and you can use this $200 credit for 1 year. That's not the fact. Okay, your free credits will expire within 30 days. If you are started or if you are enrolling your account by today, by end of the next 15th of the April month, it will be expired. Okay, yeah. What are the services that will given by the Microsoft for free? See that, we all services. Okay, you can utilize the Azure virtual machines. Okay, 750 hours. Yeah, 12 months. You can use 250 GB S01 instances. Okay, and 12 months for Azure Blob Storage and Cosmos DB. Okay, and Azure App Services, Azure Functions, Azure Event Grid. These are the free services that they are going to give it to you. Fine. Yeah, get $200 credit to your to use in 30 days. Yes, while you have your credit, get free amounts of popular services, 55 other services. Okay. After your credit, yeah, once your credit is over, move to pay as you go to keep getting popular services. Add 55 other services. Only pay if you use more than the free monthly amounts. Okay. What they are saying that if you are using 1 month, then you can move to pay as you go subscription. Then it will be charged based on your usage. After 12 months, you will continue to getting 55 free services always. Okay, and still only pay for what you use beyond the free monthly amounts. Okay, yes. And then if you want to explore what are the other options, if you are, what are the 55 other free always, let's see that. Um, yeah, so if you want, if you have any other concerns like what is Azure, yes, you can always verify it, get started. Okay, yeah, what is Azure? Okay, the Azure cloud platform is more than 200 products and cloud services designed to help you bring new solutions to life. So solve today's challenges and create a future. What is Azure? Trust your cloud, operate hybrid seamlessly, build on your terms, and be future ready. They are telling that they are exploring their what they are exactly. Okay, if you want, if you have a time, or if you want to spend some time on this, yes, go and spend some time so that you will get more idea on the Azure. Okay, what is get started? Okay, take a quick tour of Azure. If you want, they will have some videos. Okay, they design themselves and they will explain. If you want, you can go and play the video and listen what they are telling. Okay, uh, question and answers. Okay, if you register with them, they will give some short videos that, but those are not that much helpful. Okay, with 1 minute or 2 minutes of video, what you are going to learn? Okay, just if you want to explore, just go and explore what are the options they have given. Like this, they will give many things. Okay, yes. And what is trust your cloud? What is the products that they have? What is the Azure market? What is the training and certificate? If you want to certification, if you want to do the certification, yes, you can talk to the Microsoft guys and you can complete your certification. Okay, that is also it is available. Okay, and what is PaaS? What is container? What is a machine learning? Everything you will have some brief knowledge they will share, but this is not that much useful. Okay, you don't understand by reading this. Okay, fine. And yes, where we are at the subscription. Okay, so you will get 55 services for free, and you will get the $200 as a credit into your account. That is um, you what the key points here is, like your account will remain for 12 months. Okay, and whatever the Microsoft by default will give $200 to your credit. Okay, these credits you have to use within a month. That is the main part. Okay, just click on the start free. Guys, if you don't understand anything, please let me know. I will stop it immediately and can answer to your question. Okay, now here you have to provide your first name. Okay, let me put my first name as Vishal. Okay, middle name is option and last name let me put it as G. Okay, fine. And your email address is by default it is taken, and here you have to input your the phone number. Okay, and when you input your phone number, and you can ask for the text, so that you have to input the verification code. Okay, if you are working on an organization, yes, you can keep the organization. If you don't want, then you can keep it as self. Okay, your PAN card, if you want, yes, you can input your PAN card here, but if you don't want, yes, you can always skip that one. It's a optional. When it is showing as optional, yes, always you can skip it, but you have to put the address line here. I can put Bangalore and the address line Bangalore. Okay, and the address line 3 is like Bangalore, Marathalli. Okay, and the city is Bangalore. Something you can put it. Okay, and state is, and let me select Karnataka. Okay, and the postal code, something you can put it. I don't know the postal code of Karnataka, 5,72,000 or something. I don't know. Okay, what exactly it is. Okay, then you have to agree the terms and conditions, then click on next. Okay, next screen is like it will take you. What is the next screen is? Uh, Let me take you to the screenshots. Okay, next screen is like where it will prompt you for uh, the credit card details. Okay, yeah, you have filled all the details. Once you filled all the details, and next screen is like your this one. Yeah, this prompt screen. Okay, now you should have two things, guys. You have to uh, keep a note here. Use Visa or MasterCard. Okay, if you are using any credit card, it should be international credit card. That's the reason why, especially they are given option only for Visa and MasterCard. You cannot use other than that. Okay, if you have some other card like your ICICI local cards or your SBI local cards or your Union Bank local cards, okay, or some other bank local cards, yes, it will not accept. Okay, only it should be authorized by Visa or Master. Okay, Visa or MasterCard, it should be either one. Okay, and um, sometimes, guys, it will allow you to use the debit card as well. Okay, but my recommendation is just go with the credit card. Just go with the credit card. Okay, and here you have to give your credit card number and then your month, year, and CVV, and what is the name on that card, what is the address line. If you want, you can use it, otherwise you can skip this one. Okay, and click on next, next, next. Okay, and when you have to agree the terms and conditions of the Microsoft, once you click on agree, yes, your account will be activated into this account will be activated, and you will able to see the services here. Okay, your dashboard and everything you can see here. Right now, if I click on the dashboard, yes, I can go ahead, but I cannot use the services. Fine. Okay, even though I'm not still uh, acknowledged, or I'm still not activated my account, right? But still, what I can do, I can come here and I can see that, but I cannot utilize it. Okay, if I go with the dashboard, what is my dashboard, and uh, let me try to search uh, virtual machine. Yes, you can see it, but when you're trying to create a virtual machine, it will not allow you, because you should be you have to member of it. Okay, whether you should be a member of a free subscription or you should be member of a pay as you go subscription. Okay, until unless you are not belongs to any subscription, you cannot use any services in the Azure. That's a damn sure. You should have it. Okay, yeah. So, and also they have given uh, like uh, like student account. Okay, student account also sometimes it is possible. They will ask you that if you are a student, you have to submit your student proof. This is not for India especially. Okay, this is for like US, UK guys, where they can utilize, they can input the university ID proof, and so that they can utilize the free services for 1 month. Okay, like $200 credit they will get it. For students exclusively they will give it for free, but not like India, it is not possible, right? Where you can go and get the university identity proof and where you can upload in the site. That is very difficult for you. Okay, that's the reason why just sign up with your credit card and you will get the $200 credit and practice it thoroughly by 1 month, and you can that is more than enough, guys. Okay, whatever that I'm going to teach daily, just go on it and practice it. That is more than enough. Okay, fine. Yeah, so once you create the account, once you click on start, and where you have filled all the details, and your account will be activated. your account will be activated. So initially, the Microsoft will charge 2 rupees from your account for the verification purpose. Whatever the credit card that you have given, from that they will charge 2 rupees. Okay, and they will debit it back to your account. Okay, they will uh, initially they will debit 2 rupees from you and they will credit it back to your account. You no need to worry. Like if I give my credit card to Microsoft, are they going to misuse my account? No, they don't do such things. Okay, and once I enter my details and if I use for 1 month, after 1 month what will happen? Are they going to uh, take the amount from from my credit card? No, they don't do it. Okay, until unless you when until unless uh, you are in a free subscription, they don't charge anything. If you move out of the free subscription and when you enter into pay as you go, yes, they will start charging immediately. Okay, you should be very careful when you are using a free subscription with practice within a month. Fine. Any doubts, guys, so far? Anyone having any questions, any doubts, please let me know. Yeah, Shivaji, any doubts?
No, nothing. That's okay.
Okay, yeah. So when you click on when you fill all the details, it will take you to the Microsoft site, and 2 rupees will be debited and you will get the OTP. Just enter that OTP. That's it. Your account will be activated. Sometimes for the
Sir, I
activation,
have a doubt, sir. Excuse me,
yes,
please.
please. Yes, please.
I don't have credit card, sir. Can I use my debit card? It will work, sir.
Yeah, that's what again I'm telling. For the debit card, it will work sometimes. Sometimes it won't work. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, if your debit card is like an international debit card, like Visa or Mastercard, yes, it will work out sometimes. Okay.
Okay.
So, but the
I
best
have
thing is
an Access account, sir. Access Bank account.
Access Bank. That is fine. What is the card type?
Card
When
type, I don't know, sir. Actually, I have to check.
yeah, just open your ATM ID, ATM card, and just see on top of that it will written Visa or Mastercard or Rupee
Okay.
card. Something they will written,
Okay.
right? So if your card is a Rupee card or something, it won't accept. Only it should be Visa or Mastercard.
Okay.
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 So better like get it from your friends or
Okay, sir. I will check.
any relatives. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
yeah, fine. Then I'm planning to show you the live demo, but I don't have credit cards right now with me. Okay, but it is always similar to this. Okay, it is almost similar to this. Just follow this card. Okay, follow this document. You will able to understand easily how you're gonna create the account. Okay, fine. Yeah. So once you create the account, where you will able to see the your dashboard here, and just go to the start and subscribe to free trial. Fine. Okay. So once you log into the portal, it is very important that you you can see a lot of options here. Okay. Your account. What is your account? What account you have logged in? Okay. And if you want to switch in between the accounts, yes, you can switch in between the accounts as well. And uh, here are the lot of options. Like uh, when you click on this option, okay. If you need help, sorry. Gangadhar, can you go on mute, please? Yeah, thank you, Gangadhar. Okay. I request everyone that if you are not speaking, please go on mute. Okay. Because the session is recording. So if you unnecessarily unmute and keep talking on the backend, it will also get recorded in the session. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So provide feedback. This is very important screen. Like once you log into the your Azure. Okay. So if you are not satisfied or you may feel any bad experience with the Microsoft, yes, you can always tell to them. Your feedback is always welcome to Microsoft. Okay. How difficult or easy to use this experience? if you feel that it's very difficult, yes, you can say that it's very difficult, and you can write your comments as well. Okay, your comments and everything will be considered by Microsoft, and they will try to improve their services. Okay, yeah. How valuable is this experience? You can say that 10 is very valuable, 0 is not at all valuable. Okay, and if you're not satisfied, yes, you can give this, and you can write your own comments. uh, better better to create, better to more more ease of accessing, something like this. Okay, Azure services, something you can. Okay, yeah. um, it's okay to contact me about the submit feedback. Like this, you can do anything. Okay, yeah. And what is the next one is, yeah, this is very important screen. Okay, yeah. So what it is exactly? Help and support. What exactly it is? Okay, so like if you have any challenge with the site, or if you have any challenge with the services whatever you have created in the Azure, you are facing any like you have created a VM and you are unable to connect it, or while at the time of creating or deploying any services in the Azure, you have encountered an issue. Okay, always you can raise your tickets to Microsoft. Okay, you can create a request. Okay, so that you will get the response from the Microsoft. Fine. Why this screen is not getting? Because still I haven't subscribed, right? I don't have any subscription at all. Okay, simply I am just created an account, that's it. Okay, I just logged in with my account. See that it will first take you to the don't have a subscription, check out the following options. Okay, yes, you have to go with the subscription is mandatory, guys. Okay, without the subscription you cannot use any services in the Azure. Like let's see that if I click on virtual machine, if I try to, yes, it won't allow me to do anything without the subscription. Okay, let's see, you have to first part of the subscription. Fine, yeah, let me take you what is subscription. Okay, yes, subscription is nothing but you are what kind of member you are, it will tell you to the Microsoft. Okay, yeah. So without subscription you cannot use the Azure services. Okay, so basically we have classified the 4 types of subscriptions. Okay, first one is free subscription. Okay, up to now what we have discussed, that is a free subscription. Okay, um, a free subscription can be created with an email account and a credit card that includes $200 credit for 30 days and free limited access for 12 months when converted to a pay-as-you-go subscription. Okay, when you go for a pay-as-you-go subscription, it will be converted 12 months as a free. Fine. In free subscription, you will get, when you use a credit card, you will get $200 credit for 30 days practice purpose. Okay. Yeah. So next the subscription is pay as you go. Okay. Pay as you go. Generates a monthly charge depend on the amount of cloud resources used. Okay. Pay as you go. Pay as you go is nothing but it will generate monthly bills. Okay. This month you are using this many services. This month you have created these many databases, these many virtual machines, these many networks you have created, these many like managed instance you have created. So based on that, they will send a monthly report or monthly bill will be generated to your account. Okay, yeah. So when you clear that bill, then they will allow for the next month to use the services. That is nothing but pay as you go subscription. Yeah. So and the next one is enterprise. Enterprise. Okay. a single enterprise agreement is made for bulk purchase of the subscription with discount for new license and software assurance targeted at enterprise scale organizations. Okay, this is enterprise subscription. This is mainly used by the organizations. Okay, enterprise subscription is used by the organizations. Okay, we don't have this enterprise. Why? Because I'm not running an organization, right? That's the reason I won't get this enterprise. Okay, I can get the pay as you go or student or free subscription. Okay, yes, fine. And the next subscription is student. And as I told, right, this subscription include $100 for 12 months. This subscription can be activated without a credit card. However, student verification is required. Yes, you don't require any credit card, but you need to have a student verification from the university. Okay, you cannot get it until unless where you are not a student. They will not give it to you. Okay, you should have a proper the certification or proper identity proof from the university where you can utilize for 12 months. Okay, only $100 you will get credit. $100 it is not sufficient to work also. When you create one or two services or for when you use it for 5-10 days, it will be gone. Then after you cannot use it. Okay, yeah. Basically, what we can say that when it comes to Azure subscriptions, we have mainly 4 subscriptions: free, pay as you go, enterprise, and student. Okay, so you are part of which subscription that will decide uh, you are into organization or you are into a pay as you go or you are into free or you are into a student. Okay, we'll go with the free account. We'll go with the free account with the credit card so that you will get $200 credit. Okay, yeah. So managed groups, inside the managed groups, what is the hierarchy of the Azure? Okay, subscription, inside the subscription there is a resource group. Inside the resource group there should be a resources. This is the hierarchy, and guys, this is very important. Okay, without this subscription key you cannot create a resource group. Without the resource group you cannot create a resources. This is very important, sir. Important, the hierarchy. Okay, yeah, you should have a subscription. Under subscription you will create a resource group. Under the resource group you will create a resources. This is very important, guys. When we started working on it, you will understand what is resource group, what is a subscription, why it really required the subscription. Okay, and inside the resource group you can create a resources like your databases, your applications, or your virtual machines, or your uh, some other services. Whatever you want, you can create that. Okay, fine. These and all, like I can take you to in the next class. Okay, don't worry. What is resource group and all, I will explain in the next class. Okay, how each session will have the clear details like what is resource group, what is a subscription, everything. When you go through it, you can understand easily, guys. Okay, fine. So far, any doubts? In the initial days I will go very slow, guys. Okay, once you are familiar with the basics, then we can go a little bit not faster. I can say that we will go with the topics by topics. Okay, okay, I think we are almost fine. Okay, guys, from Monday onwards the session would be like 1.5 hour. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes, so that you have more interaction with me. Okay, whatever the doubts you have, everything will be answered during the session or after the session or before the session. If you have any doubts, you can start before the session also. You can ask me. I can answer that questions.
Is there
Yeah, yeah, you can use the same link for the tomorrow as well. From Monday onwards, it will change. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, Veera.
Vishal, is there any real-time setup going to provide to us?
What setup?
Real-time setup.
Real-time setup, like I'm telling you, right? You have to get the credit card and get it. Your account is created, and whatever I am delivering, you have to practice it. And I will give the questions as well, like what type of questions you may encounter in the interview. Okay. Whatever I told, I'm giving the notebook straight away, and the recording session also will be given to you, and the interview questions.
Resume also provide, right?
Resume part and all, everything just discuss with Shanmukh.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Anything more, guys? We have 3 to 4 minutes. Initial days like today and tomorrow, I will take for 1 hour. Okay. From Monday onwards, the class would be 1.30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, almost 90 minutes we required. Okay. Yeah. Shanmukh, you want to talk anything?
Nothing from my side, Vishal.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can complete the registration part and everything, Shanmukh, by tomorrow.
Yes. I'll check with them, guys. I guess you have my number. If you don't have my number, you can take this one, and just please ping me if you're interested to continue and all. Okay. So we'll complete the formalities. I'm sorry. Please ignore the taboo number. Same one, 9902. Yeah. The same one. Okay. 9902590140. You can just ping me to this number, and I'm going to discuss the parts and all complete process. Okay. To register this course, and then we can continue. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me. No questions, guys?
No.
Okay, chalo. That's it from my side. Okay, Vishal. If you want, you can continue. Otherwise, we'll disconnect for today, and tomorrow we'll connect at same time.
Yeah, this I think this is fine, Shanmukh. Better we can start tomorrow. Tomorrow again, it will be like a demo only. From Monday onwards, we can start full-fledged the class. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys. Thank you for time.
Okay,
Have a nice day.
thank you.
Thank
Catch you
you.
tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow.